So good afternoon everybody, Dr. Aman here, and this message is very important, especially I am getting messages from students regarding postponement of NEET MDS exam and what is the exact date when it is going to happen, all those questions. With those questions I have seen students wasting a lot of time in last 1 week, right? So in all the confusions, right? So which are not required, but anyways that is but natural, right? When you are not sure when your target, where your target is, when you need to and how you need to plan things, it creates apprehension. That is absolutely normal. But let's get back to what is required, right? So in all such scenarios we should be focusing on ultimately a main goal, and whenever it happens, it may happen in March as news are there, certain news, right? On some news channel they mentioned that the exam may happen on 18th March or third week of March, but that is of course not authentic yet, not being officially updated. So we cannot believe on that, right? So absolutely we cannot plan things according to such news. Same way there were news earlier that exam may happen in May or June, right? So there are different news sources telling different things, which is creating apprehension among the children. So guys, very clearly I would like to tell you what you need to do right now. Okay, the first thing is you need to calm down, you need to relax. It's okay whenever exam happens. We were ready for 9th Feb also. Okay, so if it happens in March, it will hardly make much difference. If it happens in May, yes, it will make a huge difference, especially for the students who started just after internship or started 3-4 months back. They'll get a push, right? So but in that case, the students who were studying for last 10-12 months, they should be more focused, right? So they should move towards perfection. So how do we do this? So I'll suggest you, because anyways exam notification has to come in next 7 to 10 days. It can come today while I'm talking, it can come in next 1 week or 10 days. It will come, of course it will come. And from the day of notification to the point of exam, there is usually always a gap of around 1.5 to 2 months, right? So in that case, what I'm assuming that even if it comes today, it will not be before the last week of March. Okay, so and accordingly, if it gets more delayed, so it will have at least gap of 1.5 to 2 months in between whenever notification comes for the postponement or when they decide the date. Okay, so there's nothing to panic. Do not worry, exam will not happen within 15 days or 1 month. It takes time for NB to process all the applications, to give time to the students, right, to fill the forms, to release admit cards. It takes time. Okay, so it is not going to happen within a month. So that is for sure. Okay, so be reassured about that. Second thing is, now then what we need to do, what we should do is also very important to know. So if it is an opportunity for everybody, the students who are preparing for last 10 months, 11 months, 12 months, 6 months, they have an opportunity to work on the topics they found difficult during this journey. Okay, but because exam was on 9th Feb, as per the dates, previous dates, they were just ignoring because they did not have enough time to work on those topics or subjects. Now that is the time. So I'll advise all of you to start your revision again from your difficult subjects or difficult topics. Do as much as you can for those topics to get the confidence, so that whenever a question is asked from those topics, you are not scared to answer and hence avoid negatives. Along with that, the prime most important thing is to do triplet. Still do triplet every day. Okay, whatever subject you do, triplet has to be done every single day, at least 5-6 hours, at least 5-6 hours every day. Triplet has to be done, okay, without any break. I recently talked to a student who said, sir, I've done triplet 2 times, what should I do different now, what should I do new now? 2 times is nothing, right? So to get hold on triplet, 2 times is nothing. It has to be done at least 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times to get that perfection in your mind, right? Ultimately we are competing with students. There are only 300-400 government seats. We need to be perfect with our knowledge. Okay, so 5-6 hours every day, triplet again. If you know, even if you know the answer, go to the explanation, learn the explanation, understand the explanation, and then move on to the next question. That way, just try to get perfect with the content there. Remaining hours has to be utilized, as I said, till you get your exam date, right? Utilize those hours to finish your difficult subjects, finish your difficult topics. It can be by listening lectures again. It can be by your reading textbooks again. Okay, textbook means only for those specific topics. The books which you have read in your UG days, open those books, read those topics again and get good hold on so that you get confident with this. Revise your notes, right, and solve as many MCQs as possible from other MCQ important books and give all the tests which are provided to you. That is what you need to do. Okay, that is the most important thing till you get exam date. The day we get exam date, official notice, I'm saying official notice, you will get the plan, you will get the strategy from the academy. Do not worry. Okay, but please do not be in gray area, right? When you are not very clear what we need to do, utilize this time. This is very, very crucial. The students who will utilize this time properly without distractions, without getting affected by social media posts and all other discussions of postponing and so much, avoid all that, stay focused. This is the time where rank will be made. Once date is announced, everyone will get serious, but the ones who are serious during this phase will be the ones who will be the rankers. Trust me on this. Right, so I hope it is very clear to all of you what needs to be done. For still any confusion, still any problem regarding your preparation strategies, feel free to contact us. You can message me directly on my WhatsApp. We'll have a chat or a call. Okay, so take care, keep studying, give your best. This is not time to relax. Give your best shot. Take care.